Today I will show how to shorten a trolling motor to fit a kayak. I'll show you the procedures, the tools, the sealant, the mounting hardware, all the way to the finished product where it's sitting on the kayak. Okay, here's the trolling motor. As you can see, it's just a little 30 thrust. What we're going to do, unscrew the 3 screws that come out the bottom. You take the top off, and this is what you'll have inside. You remove, take all the wires, all color coded, not too hard. I've already cut them. Black goes to black, yellow goes to yellow. Pretty simple. So what you're gonna have to do, we're gonna take this mount off right here. Take that off. Okay. Cut the wires. This is what you have. Take this out, pull it to the side. What you'll need to get to, take these wires, move them out of the way. There's a bolt right here, and that bolt right there, you'll take the nut off of it and pull that nut out. Okay, so I took the nut out. Now we're going to pull the shaft up, the body, make it loose right here. That comes off just like that. Take the whole body off of it. Okay, you have the whole shaft. What I did is took a Dremel tool and cut around, took off this extra distance, cut around, take your time, and you'll have exposed wires. So then you'll have the extra material right here. So that's the whole shaft. You'll have a hole at the top, and we'll have to drill that out. Next, I put the shaft into a vise. Got the Dremel tool, made a little indentation, then drilled a new hole right here, which the bolt's gonna go. And then I sanded down the edge of it so the wires weren't cut. Once you cut the shaft, so I'm gonna get these out of the way. We'll trim those later. We'll trim the wires later. Get the controls, and as you can see around the edges, it looks like some silicone. I haven't trimmed that off yet because that's what I used it when it was on my boat. I sealed all the connections up. See the seals? They're all sealed. That's been sealed like that now going on 5 years. It's great. Keeps the water out, any rust, anything. This is what I use to seal everything up with. It's just a basic clear RTV silicone. Not only is it a good bonding agent, but it's excellent water and heat. And you can find it. I use a clear. Clears you can use in about anything. But once we put it all together, we're going to silicone everything around the edges, keep the water out, and we'll show you what we need to do. Okay, shaft's aligned. There's the nut. We're gonna put the nut, we're gonna put the bolt, the washer, everything, tighten it back down, put some Loctite on it, silicone it, and then we have the shaft mounted back on. Now we just have to put the power head back together. Okay, I cut it off. That's how much we took off the shaft. So now we're going to put it on the kayak. Okay, I took a mount. How I'm mounting the trolling motor is I took a canoe mount that you can buy online, and I modified it. And here's the mounting. And that's what That's what it looks like off the side. And it mounts right behind my tank well right there. Right here, that's where I kept my transducer for my fish finder. There's my transducer. Sets right below the water line. You get true readings. So it's mounted here. Mounts just like that. And I made my kayak holder by PVC pipe. Cheap, easy to make. There you go. Ready to go. You can adjust it. And all your adjustments here. I'll just have to take it out. That's it, just a 30. A little cheapy.